You're one funnel away. Well, you may have heard of this statement before. This is from one of my mentor, Bronson. And for a really long time, I think, wow, that one is a BS because I have built so many funnels in the past few years. I haven't reached my destination yet. So today I want to share why you still have to believe you're one funnel away and what is that statement for. So I remember when I was in university, I really like nature. So I have a friend, he's actually 30 years older than me, and he is the consultant of our fellowship. So he hosts all the events in our fellowship, like Bible study or some of the camp, things like that. So one day he invited me to do a mountain climbing. So because I really like naturals, I said, okay, sure, let's go do it. So we went for the mountain climbing. So when we arrived the place, I was say, wow, because that place is so beautiful. You can see the forest, you can hear the birds singing, and the weather is good, and the temperature is not too low. So everything is so great. I said, yeah, that's it, so beautiful. And she said, no, we're going to the mountaintop. That place is way more beautiful than this. I said, well, so is that hard to get to the mountaintop? She said, no, it's easy and it's not too far away. I say, sure, let's do it. So we go. Yeah. And yeah, everything is so beautiful. The forest is beautiful and you can enjoy the natural here, right? But after 1 hour of climbing, I was like, oh, hey, is that easy and not too far? He said, yeah, it's not too far, just over there, right? I said, yeah, okay, let's do it. Then after 30 minutes, I was like, sorry, how long does it take for us to arrive? Then he says, oh, it's around the corner. Don't worry, it's around the corner. I said, okay, sure. Then 30 minutes left. I was like, how long does it take to arrive? And he's like, oh, it's around the corner. So you can see that he's doing this almost every week. So he feel really easy. But I was like, I haven't been exercising for a long time. So for me, it was like, So yeah, then another 30 minutes left. So I was like, is that one? Is that the corner? And he said, yeah, that's a corner. So we arrived at the mountaintop. And when the time I step on the last step, I feel like, wow. So I overseed the entire city and I can see the cloud. I can hear the bird sings, and it's so beautiful. I may not say that it's the most beautiful place I've ever seen, but it will be one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen in my life. I would say, wow. I forgot all the pain, all the struggle I had during the process. And I feel so relaxed. I feel so enjoyable. So we actually on the mountaintop for 30 minutes. Then yeah, we went back and we had the same process but it's not as hard because we are going down, we're not going up. And when we went back home, I asked him, why during the process you are always say that it's around the corner, right? Every time I say, is that one? He said, yeah, that's a corner. That's a corner. That's a corner. He told me that if I don't tell you that it's around the corner, you will not make it. You will quit. And you will never get to see that seeing that scenery there. And I got it. So for me, your one funnel away is more like it's around the corner. Yeah, it may not be the funnel, it may not be the corner, but if you don't have hope for yourself, you will never get it, right? So still believing you are one funnel away, still believing that it's around the corner, and you will get there someday, somehow. So I hope you enjoyed that. Be sure to subscribe. I will see you soon in the next video.